In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make text move in CapCut PC. If you want your text to slide, fade, bounce, or travel across the screen instead of just sitting there, CapCut makes that process very simple on PC. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the easiest way to animate your text so it feels more polished, more dynamic, and much more professional inside your edit. To begin, go down to your timeline and find the text layer you want to animate. Once you see it, click directly on the text block one time. When it's selected, you'll notice a white outline or selection border appear around it. That visual confirmation is important because it tells you CapCut is now focused on that specific text layer, and any animation changes you make will apply to it. After that, move your attention to the top right area of the screen, where the Properties panel is located. This is where CapCut gives you access to the animation controls for your text. In that panel, click on the tab labeled Animation. As soon as you open it, you'll see three main categories for motion. The In section controls how the text enters the screen. The Out section controls how it leaves. And Loop is used for continuous movement while the text remains visible, which is useful if you want the words to keep moving in the background instead of staying still. For this example, stay inside the In tab, scroll through the available animation thumbnails until you find a style you like. You can choose something like Slide Right if you want a clean directional entrance, or Wave if you want a more playful effect. Click once on the animation style and CapCut will apply it immediately to your selected text. This makes it easy to preview different looks without complicated setup. Once you've picked the style, the next step is adjusting the speed so the motion feels smooth and readable. Look toward the bottom of that same Properties panel for the duration slider. Click and drag the slider to the right until it reads 1.0 second. This is a great setting because it gives the text enough time to glide into place naturally, instead of appearing too fast or feeling abrupt. Slower entrance timing often looks cleaner and helps viewers read the text more comfortably. At this point, your text layer is selected, your animation is applied, and the entrance duration has been adjusted for a smoother result. That's all you need to do. Your text will now move onto the screen with a much more professional appearance inside CapCut on PC.